Breakfast. This is the most important meal of the day, so let's make it together. Are you using your Blackstone to its fullest potential? In today's video, I want to show you how to cook your entire breakfast sandwich on your Blackstone. I'm also going to show you how to get your very own Blackstone. Let's get to cooking. Alright, first what you want to do is you want to prep your bacon. So I got me a good sharp knife here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to slice right down the middle. Just like that. Take this half out. Don't matter which half you pick. Get that out of there like that. Take your other half and put it inside of a tray. Now we're going to take you over to the Blackstone and we're going to start cooking the bacon. Alright, so whenever you're cooking bacon, always remember you want to cook it on low heat. Low to medium low. You don't want it in inferno, you want it low to medium low. So, turn my burner on. Turn it down to low. Burner on. I'll turn it down to low. Alright, for the bacon, depends on how many slices you like. We like bacon. So we're just going to lay that right out just like that. I'm going to say 4 slices on each sandwich. Just like that. I'm making 2 sandwiches with bacon, and then the rest of the sandwiches without bacon. Alright, now on to the next part. Okay, so the next part is we're going to be using the buttermilk grains biscuits. Let's open this up. I love that pop. The pop of goodness. Guys, I mean, we all go to McDonald's and Burger King, and I don't know, man. That's just fat waiting to happen and a heart attack on the stick. Make your own breakfast at home, guys. It's so much easier and healthier, and it's fun. It's fun for the whole family. Now, I have never, ever have made biscuits on my Blackstone. This is a first for me. And I forgot to put a little bit of spray down there first. Alright, now get yourself a good lid here. Put it right over top of it and just let them cook. That bacon is getting all nice and happy. When we come back, we'll start the eggs and we'll start the hash browns. Alright guys, the bacon just started cooking here. We're just flipping it over. I already flipped these over. To keep bacon nice and straight and crispy, you want to flip it over. You want to keep flipping it over at this point. You want to keep it on low heat. You don't want to, like I said, you don't want to flame broil it. You just want to cook it. It's looking good. All right. Hey guys, like I told you earlier, I said I'd show you how to get the Blackstone. If you go into my Amazon website, I'll leave a link for it in the description below. But this Blackstone is, I mean, it's fantastic. I bought it. Shush. I bought it specifically because it had the air fryer attachment already built into it. And I'll tell you, I love that air fryer. I have cooked chicken wings on that air fryer. I've made all kinds of things on it. And I really love the air fryer attachment on there. But I'm going to leave a link for it in the description below. I think when I paid for it, I think it was $3.49 when I bought it, and it was on some kind of special. But anyhow, I'll leave a link for it in the description below. You guys can go over to my Amazon site, check it out, and also check out all the other utensils for cooking and maintaining your grills and like that on my Amazon site. It helps me out, it helps my channel out. Alright, but we're going to let this bacon cook, and when we come back, we'll get the eggs and the hash browns started. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and check these biscuits. Make sure you have yourself a heat-proof glove, because that handle is going to be red hot. Oh yeah. I'm liking how that's looking. Alright, that's a little too burnt. Alright, well, I said this is my first time, so I mean, it happens, right? Turn that heat all the way down to 0 or the low. But that's okay. I mean, that little extra crispy don't hurt anyone. But they are cooking up nicely, though. That's for damn sure. They're cooking up real nice. All right. Put the lid back on them. What we're gonna do is you're gonna shut that right off now. I don't want to keep that. I don't want to keep the heat on there. All right, the bacon is looking great. Give that one more flip. Just like that. That bacon is crisping up nice. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this bacon over here, closer to the end. Now guys, give me a break. On this, one thing I found out about this Blackstone is, unfortunately, the way the burners are set up, all in here, all up top and all on the bottom, doesn't get as hot as the center does. And yeah, it looks like it's all rusty, but I can assure you, it's not. Alright, a little bit of spray on there. Now, these are going to be so good with our sandwiches. Hey, leave a comment below. What do you like to put on your breakfast sandwich when you cook them? Do you like potato patties? Do you like bacon? Leave a comment below. Let me know. Sausage? Alright, we'll let them get cooking. We're going to take these biscuits off here in a minute, and we'll start the eggs. Alright guys, take these biscuits off now. I think they're done. They look done. Oh yeah. Not too bad. For our first time, I think we did pretty darn good. I know they're going to taste good, that's for sure. Alright. Get them done. I'm going to cut one of them open just to make sure that it is cooked on the inside. But we're going to let this get up to heat. And we'll start our eggs. Okay, so I checked the biscuits. They are cooked perfectly. Yes, they did get a little brown, but that's okay. I like my biscuits a little dark. No comment. Alright, now my buddy picked this up for me. This is from Blackstone. It's pretty neat. It's from Blackstone. And it's for making omelets and making eggs. So Spread a little bit of spray on there. Pop one of the eggs on there. Uh-oh. There we go. You don't want to be giving your friends and family any of the eggshells. Keep that for people you don't like. All right. We'll let these two cook up. While we're doing that, we'll give these a flip. Oh, casualty of war. All right. When we're back, we'll start to put this together. All right, guys. So we got the biscuits here. I want to take this bacon off now. Drain some of the oil. We'll put that right in there. Now, you can, Mom had a good idea. You can take those biscuits and put them in the warmer down here. The one on the right-hand side is your warmer. You could put them in the warmer if you wanted to. We're not going to do that. All right, these eggs got another 2 more minutes, and we're going to go ahead and take it off and flip the eggs. All right, guys, go ahead and take this off. See how we did here? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's perfect. Look at that. Look at that. That is fabulous. All right, guys. We're going to make 2 more just like that. And when we come back, I promise you, this time when we come back, we will build this together. They really look good, though. Wow. Freaking hurts. What? Now, guys, if you wanted to, you could put a little bit of salt and pepper on there, but I'm not a big fan of salt and pepper. Not on most things. All right, go ahead and let these cook. All right, guys, so everything is done here, and I went ahead and cut one of these biscuits. I forget which one I did here. I know, here we go. I cut one of the biscuits open, and as you can see, they are perfectly done inside. So, let's build this. First thing we need is egg. A slice of cheese. Three slices of bacon. Because we want to be healthy, we get some vegetables in you. Bacon. All right. And there you have it, guys. Your own breakfast sandwich. In half the time that it takes to order it at McDonald's, at half the cost it costs to buy it at McDonald's, and a hell of a lot more fun because you get to do it with the family. But let's have a taste test, see how we did on these biscuits, and then I'll let you guys be on your way because those sandwiches look good, and I'm freaking hungry. So let's have a bite, see how we did. Oh yeah. Ain't nothing better, guys. Buttermilk biscuits, hash brown, bacon, egg, and cheese. Hello. It's a symphony in your mouth. Do me a favor, guys. Like, subscribe, share with your friends. But until next time, God bless and happy eats.